Hello everyone, it is Andrea. Look at this beautiful sunset behind me. How are you doing today, this evening? Today was an amazing day where I was able to explore and have quality time with my family, enjoying every ounce of it and having fun. That's what it's about, making sure that your time off-grid and on the weekends when you and your loved ones and your family and friends have some time off, you make it the best. We were able to go abroad, travel, as well as experience, again, fine cuisine, all the trimmings, and get out of the house. As we get ready in preparation for the fall season, we are having fun. That's what it's about. It's about having fun and exploring nature and getting out while the weather still permits us to travel and get out and see nature, the beautiful countryside. I don't know if you can hear it, but you can hear a pin drop. That's how sweet and serene that the environment is. It's great to get away from the city. It's great to get away from, the chaos, as you can see. Of course, right when I say it's nice and quiet to get ready this scenery, there is some local, maybe 2 or 3 vehicles passing by, but all in all, it's a good time. It's fun, and it's great to get into nature, like I said, and just enjoy it, embrace it. What I want to show you, I'm going to pan the camera around a bit and just show you on the other side of the scenery. I want you to see, so bear with me. If you can see right here in the distance, all of these little beige dots, those are deer. They are amazing. They are on the pastures, they are grazing, and as this night sky falls. And I want to make sure that you enjoy things. You enjoy life. We are so caught up into our busy lives, what we're doing and what we're not doing. I mean, just take a look at it. Take a look as we are speaking live. You're seeing the beautiful sunset setting in the horizon, and we are closing the chapter of a new day. That's what it's about, making those memorable moments. And I'm going to stop. Listen for a moment. Listen to the silence. Just peace, serenity with family, loved ones, and friends in your thoughts. Take a moment, take a minute just to sit back, embrace nature, and appreciate all that our Creator is given, all that life has permitted us. It's wonderful. Don't get wrapped up in the chaos. Don't let your ego, pride, and stubbornness get in the way. Just embrace the moment. Live, and remember, life is a journey, and it's about the journey, not the destination. Make milestones matter. And just take a moment and listen to the sun, and if you will, dance. Dance in the pastures, dance into nature, and welcome every ounce of peace, balance, and serenity that comes with the territory. And on that note, I want you to find your inner peace, find the balance, find the love, and make every moment magical, memorable, and most significant. Allow yourself to be in alignment with your mind, body, and soul, and heart, and know that every step of the way, you have a choice, a right, the ability to press play. Plan life according to you. My name is Andrea Mason, your certified motivational speaker, global voice, and your personal accountability coach, reminding you every single day you have a choice, a right, and a responsibility to press play. Plan life according to you. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. As a few vehicles go by, thank you. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join my website to learn more information, upcoming events, and opportunities that I've got coming to you the fall of 2022. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.